Dr. Nichols here with the KCU Wellness Team. This is the perfect exercise prescription for the beginner. It's based on Dr. Doug McGuff's book, Body by Science. And what it is a super slow, high intensity interval training, and it's a technique that can be used in a variety of different exercises. I'll show you some today. Just a disclaimer, it is wise to ask your doctor prior to starting a new exercise program, and this is not medical advice. So it's based on force equals mass times acceleration. By going super slow, there's going to be a lot less force on the joints. This workout can be done by nearly everyone, and I prescribe it to a lot of my patients. Here you see me doing a chest press. You start by doing 3 seconds for the first inch of movement, followed by 10 seconds of very super slow pressing, and then once I get done, I'm going to hold for 3 seconds without locking my joints. Then I'm going to lower the weight for 10 seconds, and I'm going to repeat this 4 to 8 times until failure, never resting, always time under tension. And once you start to fail, keep pushing for 5 seconds. I'll jump ahead, and here you can see me at the end of my set. I'm struggling, I'm going to failure, and I'm pushing, I'm breathing like I'm in labor, and then I fail. And then I get up, I'm done with that exercise, and I move on to the next one. Here you can see me working the lat pull down machine. You'll want to start about 55 to 60% of your 1 rep maximum. You can also do this using the overhead press, the seated row, and the leg press. So that's it. That's Dr. McGuff's Big 5, 2 pushing, 2 pulling, and the leg press. This exercise program can be done over your lunch break with a total time of 12 to 15 minutes. The exhaustion level will be very high, and you can repeat it 1 to 2 times a week pending adequate recovery. Super slow high intensity interval training can be applied to a variety of exercises such as push-ups, dumbbell rows, and anything else you can do safely. So bottom line is to stay healthy and stay moving. Thanks for watching.